Welcome to the Blue Team Series video on detection engineering. This discipline is at the intersection of threat intelligence, security operations, threat hunting, and security analytics, focusing on designing, testing, and maintaining effective security detections. Detection engineering is the practice of creating and optimizing security detections to identify malicious activity across environments. Detection engineers build logic to help society teams identify threats. The goal is to produce accurate, actionable, reliable, and useful detections, often leveraging SIEM, EDR, cloud, and network monitoring platforms. Detection logic defines the rules and analytical conditions used to identify suspicious behavior. Modern engineering increasingly favors behavioral logic, as attackers continuously modify their tactics to evade static signatures. We use signature-based, behavioral, statistical, and intelligence-driven logic. Detection coverage measures how effectively an organization can detect attacker activity. Organizations use the MITRE ATT and CK framework to map detections against known adversary techniques and identify blind spots. A key question is, what attacker behaviors remain undetected? High-fidelity alerts have a high probability of representing genuine malicious activity. Good detection engineering reduces noise and increases detection confidence by eliminating false positives, improving accuracy against real-world behavior, adding context for faster triage, and generating alerts analysts can trust. A detection gap is an area where attacker activity occurs without generating alerts. Common causes include missing telemetry and misconfigured tools. For example, if PowerShell logging is disabled, attackers may abuse it undetected. Blue teams close these gaps through threat hunting, adversary simulation, and detection testing. Adversary emulation simulates real attacker behavior to test defensive capabilities. The process involves 4 steps. Emulate known threat actor TTPs, test whether detections trigger correctly, measure analyst response times and visibility gaps, and finally, improve detection quality and incident readiness. Detection engineering is a continuous improvement cycle. Attackers constantly evolve their evasion strategies, so detections must continuously evolve alongside the threat landscape. The process involves building, testing, deploying, monitoring, tuning, and going back to build stronger detections. Detection engineering plays a central role across the entire security organization. This includes improving society operations efficiency, guiding threat hunting, enabling faster incident response, and enhancing capabilities through purple teaming exercises. Effective detection engineering is crucial for modern cybersecurity defense, helping professionals improve threat visibility, reduce false positives, and strengthen enterprise resilience through focusing on detection logic, coverage, high-fidelity alerts, gaps, and adversary emulation. The next video will cover incident response fundamentals.